Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up payments on Shopify. So first things first, you just have to create or you need to create a Shopify account and then go to your settings. On settings, you have to scroll down and you have to look for payments. In the payments option here in Shopify, you can see different options. Payment providers, you can see here PayPal, and all you have to do is to just basically set up. So you have to log into your Shopify admin, click settings, and then click payments. This is where you control how customers pay you. So you need to activate Shopify payments, which is recommended. If it's available in your country, then this is the easiest option. So the benefits could be no extra transaction fees. It accepts cards like ShopPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, also for fast payouts, and can manage inside Shopify. So click activate Shopify payments. As you can see, there is this third-party payment option. So all you have to do is select one. For example, if you're looking for a Visa card or MasterCard, you have your options right here. Just install this third-party payment provider, and that could be one of the options of your client to pay you. Now you can also add payment method right here. If you have a specific one, then all you have to do is to just basically add it. You can search that one if you can search it, but if not, and then you can also proceed to other payment option. For PayPal, you need to set up your PayPal right here. So basically, what you're going to do is you have to link your PayPal account if you have, so that your customer or client can pay you through PayPal. So aside from PayPal, as you can see, there is this payment capture method. So if you don't know, this payment capture method means when you actually take the money from your customer's card after they place an order. So for example, automatically at checkout, the customer is charged immediately after they pay, or Shopify authorizes the card first, but you choose when to collect the money. Also, they have this manual payment method. So here are the options. So basically, you can set up for a direct deposit, or you can create first a custom payment method. So all you have to do is to add instruction right here. And then once you're done, then tap on activate. Next is you can also add a direct deposit from your bank account. All you have to do is to add the information right here. So be careful with the information. You can review everything. Be careful with the payment instructions because your customer or your clients will follow this one. Once done, tap on activate for deposit. So if you are also not satisfied with the rank bank deposit, you can choose the money order. So money order in Shopify is a manual offline payment method. So it means the customer does not pay with a card online. Instead, they send you payment outside Shopify, usually through a bank, post office, remittance center, or mail payment. And then last is the cash on delivery. So it's the same thing. All you have to do is to add the information right here. So payment instruction, be careful. And then once you're done, then you can activate cash on delivery payment method. So basically that's it. Just be careful with the information added right here. So, what are the advantages of cash on delivery? Builds customer trust, can increase sales and conversions, reaches customers without bank accounts or cards. For gift card expiration, it's up to you if you want to set expiration or if you tap on this never expires. So basically, these are the ways. Now for payment customization, so basically in Shopify, Shopify has a built-in application. So if you're looking for easier way or like another application to handle your payment methods or payment issues, then you can go to Shopify App Store and then look for that specific application or select from any of this. And then once you have selected one, just read the information and then tap on install. So once you have installed this application can help you manage your payment methods. And again, if you want to put an expiry date for gift card expiration, then you can just set it one or you can click on gift never expires. And then lastly is this Apple Wallet Passes. If you don't know this one, in Shopify, you can let customers save certain store items to their Apple Wallet and iPhones. Think of them like digital cards or tickets connected to an order, depending on the application or setup you use. A pass can include things like loyalty cards, gift cards, membership cards, event tickets, and so on. So you can also customize what it looks like. So basically, these are the ways in how customers can reach you or how customers can pay you in Shopify. All you have to do is just set up your payment method. You can do it manually, or you can also ask Shopify or look to their applications or Shopify App Store and then look for the specific application that can help you manage your payment method. You can also use a third-party application or you can do it manually. So there are tons of options like third-party applications, a bank account, cash on delivery, or direct bank deposit, or you can just basically do a manual payment method. Just be clear with your payment instruction. So these are the ways in how to set up payments on Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.